Hi there, hi boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Monday, November the 21st, 2022. And we have two puzzles left. The first two puzzles I've already solved, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. Two puzzles are left, the tectonic with 4 stars, in Dutch they call it Cyber block. And this one, you are interested? Yes, boys and girls, binary puzzle. A number. This will be number 5516. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8, a binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. And a no between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O. So that box should be a 1. Then 3 ones we have here in this row. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be an O. Then, let me see. We have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 there, then we have here 1, 2, 3. 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And here we have 3 O's. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Well. Yeah. Do we need to compare now? 1, 2, 3. We have no completed rows, 3 completed columns. So we can compare the columns. But we need more digits here. So it will be difficult. Well, we have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 there, 3 O's, number 4, then we still have 3 ones in this row. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Alright, now we have 4 columns and 1 row. Well, I can compare this row and that row. Alright, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, empty box, 0, 0. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be no. We have 0 here, this should be a 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Then. Then compare again. Yeah. So we double O. Well. How about this row and the last row? 110011 empty box. Empty box 1 1. So we need to switch those two digits. We have 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. Alright. And now 1 2 3. Yeah. O and a 1. Yeah, also O and a 1. O and a 1. Well. Come on. Double 1. Well. Well, if you look close to this column and that column, if you look to the ones, here one, there one, here one, there one, and here one, there one, we have a 1 there, the 4th one. So I cannot place the 1 there. If I place a 1 there, then we have identical columns. So here should be an O then. Alright, now we have 3 O's in this row. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 1s in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes a 1. Well. If you compare this column and that column, we have a 1100 empty box, 1100 empty box, 1100. That means that we need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. 1 2 3 4 1, so the rest are O's. 1 2 3 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1 2 3 4 1, so the rest are O's. 1 2 3 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double check. 1 2 3 4. Yes, completed in 8 minutes. Well, it's not easy, this one, but we solve it again. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you later with the last puzzle of today, a tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye-bye for now.